Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. What do we have today? I have no idea, but it looks fun, it looks cool, and kids don't ever open boxes the way I open boxes. I have so many years of experience being a professional dummy, and you hopefully will never have to, because you'll get a proper job and you'll be able to do stuff the way that the cool kids get to do stuff. Anyway, here we go. Let's check out some of the cool things that came in this box. That's one cool thing that came in the box. And this is another cool thing that came in the box, because we like it when things come in the box. There's one more thing that came in the box. And in part 2 of this video, we're going to check out what's inside the box. But for now, this is what you see from the outside.
Likey